Imagine waking up on a regular Monday and, 7 days later, seeing your first notification of money hitting your account, not because of luck, not because of chance, but because you used the most powerful tool of our time, artificial intelligence. Most people still think AI is something distant, complicated, reserved for programmers and big corporations. But the truth is, it's already within reach for anyone with a phone and an internet connection. And if I told you that, with the right strategies, you could build a source of income from scratch in just 1 week, using AI as your business partner. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step process to make that happen. From idea to first profit. In the next few minutes, you'll understand that AI is much more than a text or image generator. It's a tool that can automate tasks, create digital products, identify market opportunities, and even build passive income systems that work while you sleep. And the best part, it doesn't matter if you've never started a business before. All you need to do is follow the process we'll build together, 1 day at a time. On the first day, the goal is simple. Choose the right niche. Most people fail before they even start because they try to sell something to everyone. AI can help you identify profitable niches by analyzing trends, search data, and market gaps. Using tools like ChatGPT, Google Trends, and Perplexity, you can discover what people are desperately searching for but can't find solutions to. Your job is to create something that solves that problem quickly and simply. That's where the money begins, in identifying a real pain point. On the second day, it's time to create your offer. It could be an ebook, a quick course, a spreadsheet template, or even a digital guide. AI can generate the entire content for you from structure to final text. Type the right prompt, and within minutes, you'll have something that would take others days to create. The secret is transforming knowledge into a product. Think about it. What do you know, or what can AI quickly teach you, that other people would pay to learn? On the third day, we'll build the storefront, your sales page. The focus here is on conveying value and building trust. AI tools, like Notion AI, Canva Magic, right? And Jasper can create persuasive copy, irresistible headlines, and even the full-page design. You don't need to know how to code, just follow the right model. What sells is not the product itself, but the transformation it promises. AI will help you find the exact words to express that. On the fourth day, it's time for marketing. There's no point in having an amazing product if no one knows about it. This is where AI shines, creating attention-grabbing, viral content. Using tools like ChatGPT and Pika Labs, you can generate short scripts, social media posts, and even automated videos. The strategy is to build an online presence that sparks curiosity and shows that you have something valuable to offer. On the fifth day, it's all about automation. Set up automatic responses, welcome emails, and communication flows. Platforms like ManyChat and Zapier, powered by AI, can handle this for you. That means your business starts working without needing your constant presence. It's the first step to building income while you sleep. On the sixth day, you'll optimize and adjust. Analyze the initial results. Which messages got more clicks? Which parts of your page converted better? And which videos got the most engagement? AI can automatically generate reports, suggest improvements, and even rewrite parts of your copy to increase conversions. Remember, the secret to digital business is testing, tweaking, and repeating. And finally, on the seventh day, launch day. This is when everything comes to life. You activate your campaigns, publish your content, and start spreading your offer. AI can help you create ad copy for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, optimizing both the text and target audience. At first, the results might seem small, but the magic is in the process. Once you understand the game, you can repeat it as many times as you want, building multiple income streams. Now, imagine looking back and realizing that in just 7 days, you went from zero to creating something that can keep generating money every month. That's the difference between observers and doers. The technology is available to everyone, but only those who use it strategically will benefit. AI isn't going to steal your job, it's going to steal the job of those who don't know how to use it. So, if this video made sense to you, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share it with someone who needs to start building something of their own. The future belongs to those who act now, and maybe this is the step that will transform your relationship with money. Because, in the end, the secret isn't waiting for the opportunity, it's creating it. And with artificial intelligence by your side, you already have everything you need to start today.